Guess what? The Samsung Galaxy S25 Ultra is shaping up to be one sleek device, and we've got some juicy leaks to spill. You ready? Because this one's going to surprise you in more ways than one. Let's just say it might remind you of, well, an iPhone. Wait, what? Let's get into it. Don't forget to hit the like and subscribe button if you found this video informative, and leave a comment below. We love hearing from you. So it looks like Samsung is finally softening things up, literally. Leaked dummy units of the upcoming Galaxy S25 Ultra are showing off a design shift that's kind of rounded off. You know, the sharp edges are a thing of the past. This means Samsung is stepping away from those boxy edges we've seen in previous models and taking inspiration from, dare I say, the iPhone 16. Yeah, I went there. Now, if you're wondering about size, let me break it down. The new S25 Ultra is said to measure 6.41 by 3.05 by 0.32 inches, a tiny bit taller, a little narrower, and just a smidge thinner than the S24 Ultra. Nothing wild, but enough to make a difference when it's in your hand. With those rounded corners, it's going to feel more comfortable too. Gone are the days of accidentally stabbing yourself with your phone edges. Of course, it's not just about the feel. The cameras, oh yeah, they're getting a size upgrade too. The leaks show cutouts for the primary, ultra-wide, and periscope lenses, along with laser autofocus, LED flash, and the 3x telephoto lens. Bigger cameras usually mean one thing, better performance. But hey, we'll have to wait for real-world tests to confirm. Right now, we can only drool over these aluminum dummy units. Now let's talk performance, because that's where things get competitive. A recent Geekbench leak hints that the Galaxy S25 Ultra will be powered by the Snapdragon 8 Gen 4 chip, and apparently it holds its own against the iPhone 16 Pro. Yeah, Samsung's not messing around this time, but, and here's the kicker, that shiny new chip might come with a not-so-shiny price hike, courtesy of Qualcomm. So, brace yourselves. The next-gen performance might come with a higher price tag. All in all, these leaks are getting us pretty hyped, even if we're still a few months away from seeing the real deal. Samsung could officially unveil this beauty at CES 2025 in January, so mark your calendars and start saving up now. If you're as excited as we are, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and smash the like. Stay tuned, because we'll be covering every new leak and rumor about the Galaxy S25 Ultra right here. Let's keep the conversation going in the comments. What do you think about the new design? Is Samsung going soft? Literally? Thanks for watching. Until next time, keep your phones close and your leaks closer. Peace.